Hi, I have been asked a few times now on how do I get my live chat on my live stream. So today I will be making a short tutorial on how I do it. And it will be for OBS Studios and live stream on YouTube. I'm not sure if it will work the same way on Streamlabs OBS. Now first of all, of course, you're gonna have to open OBS Studios here. And I assume you already have the rest set up, like your live scene and so on. Now, where your live stream source is, they will be adding another source. So go to the plus sign and add a browser source right there and click OK. Now where you see this URL, you'll be changing that soon. Now on my recording it won't show, but somewhere here will be a big block. This one here on the canvas preview, there will be a big block this side. It's because I'm using this preview also to record this video right now. So let me just minimize. We'll go back to this. Now open your internet browser and go to your YouTube channel, and then this thing would be in the way now, so I'm gonna just quickly close this and make this extremely small so it doesn't cover the other stuff I want to show you. On your internet browser, on your YouTube channel, where you go live, on the right side you'll see top chat. Next to it you see three dots. Click on it and pop out chat. Now you have a separate browser for your live chat on your YouTube live stream. You'll see it has its own URL now. You're gonna copy the whole URL and minimize this, take this out of the way. On the browser source you add it, just right click and properties, and that URL you copy there, you're gonna paste in this source URL right here and click OK. Now you'll see, for example, this thing has changed. It looks exactly like the one that is on the YouTube live stream chat, but it's not the way you would want it to look on your live stream. It looks plain and simple. If you watched my live streams before, you'll see mine looks a lot neater and clean. I'll be showing you now how you can make some custom tweaks for it to look much better. Just make this thing smaller again. Yeah, let me make it smaller again and put it somewhere. You can close this thing now, by the way. Now you're gonna have to go and open your internet browser again and go to a website called chatv.2o. It's this one. In this you can customize a lot of stuff, like background, super chat, animations, messages, timestamps, all those things you can change. And here on the right hand side you'll see your example. You'll get a preview of how it will look like. Remember, it won't look exactly like this on your live stream because this grayish blocks here is transparent. So let me make some few changes here so you can see how it changes. Stop the screen. If you see how it goes up and down and so on. Like now for me, you'll get something that says background color here. This is the transparency color and how we would want them. I always like to make mine a bit strong, more darker, but still transparent, so I have an indication of where my live chat would be when I go live. Some people like it completely transparent, but that's up to you to decide what you want. You can also have some animation of how it will enter the chat. That's also up to you to play with and check. Now, everything here, as you change this, automatically the CSS will be changing automatically. So you don't need to worry about making some changes and stuff like that. So now in this block here, you will copy everything and copy it when you now have done and happy with your changes. You can minimize and go back to your OBS Studio. Right click on the browser you added and just go a little bit down till you see custom CSS. Remove everything in there and paste the chat v.20's custom CSS in there and press OK. Like now you will see this block changed here, and yeah, you won't be seeing it now, but on mine you'll see it's big here. But for you, you will only concentrate on your OBS preview canvas here and not this one, because I'm recording this video on the preview I'm showing you right now. So there you can make it bigger and move it where you want. Just be careful if you would drag it too much to the top like this, then it will be upside down. I've done that a few times, and then you have a chat that's upside down. It's funny but not right. Now it's gonna make some chats in here and see what it says. Hi. Discord. Oh, I'm spelling Discord. Facebook. Just for an example of how it will appear on your chat, and it will be looking something like that, depends on how and what changes you made. One other thing, do not close this thing afterwards, like you copied and pasted and now you want to check your preview and you say it's and you think okay, it's fine now. Don't close this site until you're 100% sure you are correct with everything and that's what you want, because once you've closed this and you see okay, yeah, there's something that I want to change, and you open it again, it does not save your last settings, so you're gonna have to start from scratch again. Now that is basically it, and I will also put the chat v.20 link in the description. If there's anything you want to know, you can, if you've watched my chats and along my live streams, and there's anything you would like to know and how I did it, feel free to ask and I will make a tutorial on it. And also if there's anything easier or better on how to do this that I just shown, please comment and I will be sure to check it out. And yes, that is basically all. Thank you very much and enjoy.